In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for Whiteboard. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. Microsoft Copilot is an incredibly helpful feature that integrates with various Microsoft applications, including Whiteboard, which is perfect for brainstorming, collaborating, and creating visual ideas. You might be wondering how exactly to utilize this tool effectively. Well, I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. First off, make sure you have access to Microsoft Whiteboard. You can get this application through your Microsoft 365 subscription, which is a gateway to so many other incredible features. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that. You can either open it as an app or use it directly in the web browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in and have the Whiteboard interface open, you'll notice a blank canvas waiting for your ideas. Microsoft Copilot should be readily integrated into the Whiteboard experience. If it's not visible, look for an icon or a panel that signifies its presence. It might be situated on the right side of your screen or within a menu. Now let's explore how to start using Copilot in your Whiteboard session. You can begin by clicking on the Copilot icon. This action will open up the panel, showcasing the various functionalities available to you. Imagine it like having a helpful assistant who can guide you in creating content, generating ideas, or even organizing your thoughts more effectively. One feature you'll definitely want to explore is Copilot's ability to generate visual content. To do this, you just need to type a prompt or an idea into the Copilot panel, specifying what you want to create. For instance, if you want to brainstorm a marketing strategy, you could type "Generate ideas for a marketing campaign." Copilot will then provide suggestions that you can drag and drop directly onto your whiteboard. Speaking of dragging and dropping, let's say you're happy with some of the ideas Copilot generated. You can easily click and hold the item you want and move it onto your main canvas. You'll find that it integrates seamlessly, allowing you to overlap ideas or position them wherever you see fit. This can really help in visualizing your layout on the whiteboard, making it more organized and engaging. Another noteworthy feature is the ability to take your collaboration to the next level. If you're working on a team project, everyone can contribute in real time. Copilot can help summarize discussions or note things down as a conversation unfolds. If you're worried about missing out on critical points during a brainstorming session, Copilot acts like a transcriptionist, capturing important notes that you can revisit later. Now, let's discuss how to personalize your whiteboard. Copilot can recommend templates based on the type of meeting you're having or the project you're working on. By simply asking it to suggest templates, you can get a variety of options that suit your needs, be it for education, project management, or design brainstorming. This way, you won't be stuck starting from scratch, and you'll have a beautiful framework ready to house your brilliant ideas. Also, remember that Copilot can bring in relevant research or data. If you need some statistics or specific information, you can ask Copilot to pull in context that could enrich your whiteboarding experience. For instance, if you're discussing market trends, you might type, "What are the recent statistics for market growth in our sector?" Copilot can fetch that for you, saving you valuable time and effort. As we wrap up, don't forget to experiment. The more you use Microsoft Copilot within Whiteboard, the more intuitive it will become. Don't hesitate to try different commands, make adjustments, and see what works best for your workflow. With practice, you'll find yourself optimizing your brainstorming sessions and improving collaboration with your team. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with Microsoft Copilot.